Local one owner trade-in. Serviced and inspected by our factory-trained technicians. Stop by East Coast today for a test drive. Why buy from East Coast? Low pressure and relaxed sales environment, easy car buying experience.